Alright guys, today's project at hand is going to be digging and rebuilding this wall. As you can see, it's kind of fallen over some spots. Some of these rocks have fallen over. A lot of it at the end, really. So I'm going to try and make it in a nice straight line and a lot taller with all these rocks. Got the skid steer with me. I like the wheels so they don't dig up the lawn, make too much of a mess. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm about halfway. So as you can see, that's the height. It's not going to be perfect. That's what it was. It's a hot day today. It's not going to be perfectly straight, but definitely getting there. Just gonna keep plugging along. I just got lit up. There are shitloads of bees flying around in there. Shitloads. I probably got stung 30 times. There's probably another 100 in there. So I gotta go get some spray. There's no way I'll be able to finish this right now. Alright, I'm back. There's still bees flying around. Sprayed the whole fucking thing. There's a lot of bees in there. So I just got a little bit left to finish. As you can see what I've done. There's still bees flying around everywhere. There's a bunch of them in there though, so I'll probably be jumping again. So enjoy at my risk. Machine's all set. I think that wall looks pretty good. It's a nice height. It's not perfectly straight, but I went with the rocks that were already there. All right, have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video.